try today's house special?
Hi, I'll think about it.
Can I be yeah. Can I have the special dish, the shrimp fried rice?
Of course. Would that be all?
Yeah, sure. That'll be all.
Thank you. Here's your shrimp fried rice.
Oh, that was pretty quick. Thank you.
Is there anything else I can do for you?
No, I'm good. Thank you. Actually.
Yes.
This may be a strange question to ask, but that sign says over there, it says shrimp fried rice. Like, to me, it sounds like, well, how does a shrimp fry a rice?
I'm really not understanding what you're trying to say.
It says on the sign, shrimp fried rice.
I'm not following.
So, but it says that the shrimp is frying the rice? Like, your sign implies that the shrimp is doing the actual frying of the rice.
I'm not following.
Like the shrimp, the sea creature, it's frying the rice.
Sir, you are aware this is not a mental institution.
Sir, is there a problem here?
No, not at all. I was just asking him, how does a shrimp fry rice?
Stop asking so many questions and enjoy your meal.
I'm just asking because your sign says shrimp fried rice, which means that the shrimp.
Don't talk about the shrimp.
Shrimp fried rice. The shrimp fried rice. Shrimp fried rice. Shrimp fried rice.
How does a shrimp fry rice?
We are more than we can handle. So do you wanna see what I see? Just close your eyes, set your mind free.
Can a shrimp fry rice?
I'm a circus and a dream, and it's sick. How mysterious it feels, baby, to be dancing up in the air.
Where does a shrimp fry rice?
And when we fall, I don't think I dare. You say we got potential, but what really
When does a shrimp fry rice?
do you care? Oh.
Hey,
Yo,
how you been?
I mean, pretty good. School's easy.
This may sound random, but do you think a shrimp can fry rice?
Like a real shrimp?
Yeah, a shrimp.
No.
Okay, let me ask this in a different way. Have you had shrimp fried rice before?
Yeah, a few different times.
The name implies that the shrimp is frying the rice or has made the rice?
I mean, like, I guess, dude, but you're like thinking about it too much.
No. So last night I went to this Chinese restaurant called Chinatown Express, and they have a special dish called shrimp fried rice. And I ordered it. I asked the chef and the waiter, hey, this doesn't make sense. How is a shrimp fried rice? And the waiter, they got all defensive about it, and we got in an argument, and they kicked me out.
Okay, that is pretty weird then.
Like, okay. I feel like I need another pair of eyes to look at the shrimp fried rice. Do you want to come to Chinatown Express with me?
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system.
Why is he answering? I'll just go with myself.
Oh, you're back.
Hey, sorry about that today. Can I have the order of shrimp fried rice?
One shrimp fried rice, coming right up.
Okay. Between you and me, I just need to know, how does a shrimp fried rice?
Sir, I think you should leave.
I feel like I deserve this answer. How
Sir,
does this shrimp?
I think you should leave. Sir, where do you think you're going?
What are you doing back here?
Get him out of here.
I'm trying to see the shrimp. No, let me see the shrimp. Don't ever come back here again. Leave.
So we use simple dimensional analysis here, cancel out the units, and then we have the number of atoms left. From there, we have to do some division or multiplication with exponents, and then we find the division as the answer. Any questions? So it looks like there's no questions, and it looks like everyone knows exactly what they're doing, so I'm gonna end class early today. So we all can go home. Except for you, Tyler. You stay there.
So what do you need me for?
I know what you've been looking for.
I have no clue what you're talking about.
You've been looking for the SSS. I have evidence of you looking for it.
That's a picture of me?
Yes, but you've been looking for the SSS.
Have you been stalking me?
That's not important right now. What's important is that you've been looking for the SSS.
What's the SSS?
The SSS is my biggest theory. It's the secret shrimp society. It's not lizard people or the Illuminati controlling the world, but it's the shrimp people. The shrimp are gonna take over.
Shrimp people?
Yes, shrimp people. You can see throughout time that the shrimp are the most ideal shape. The shrimp fried rice, that's the dish that's gonna take over the world. And the carcinization, that everything evolves into crabs, is false. We're all gonna evolve into shrimp one day.
This does not make any sense. I think you're crazy.
Wait, don't go. Where are you going? You can learn so much more about it. This is just the tip of the iceberg. Don't go yet. Oh, hi. Do you need any help?
much to discuss.
Wait, you're the head chef from Chinatown Express.
I am.
Why am I here?
Jacob? And my chemistry teacher?
We are the Secret Shrimp Society.
You guys are part of the Secret Shrimp Society?
Yes, we have joined the Secret Shrimp Society.
We've recently been enlightened by this shrimp.
Shrimp? What do you mean?
Your friend is correct. You are actually a shrimp. Or rather, we are all shrimp.
I'm a shrimp?
Carcinization is the theory that everything evolves into crabs, but that is actually wrong. We actually all evolve into shrimp.
You're not making any sense.
Tyler, it is the truth. Everything and everyone you know is shrimp. Wake up.
No. This is wrong.
If you do not believe my words, then you will believe what you see.
Wait. No. Get your hands off me. Get your hands off me. What is that? No.
Eat the shrimp. You will be enlightened. Oh. Look who's finally awake.
I am shrimp. I am shrimp.
Now you see why we, the Secret Shrimp Society, must protect this secret. And everything and everyone is shrimp. Then nothing really matters, does it? Politics, religion, civilization, and human evolution itself are all shrimp. The truth would dismantle society, and that is why we cannot let it spread.
I am shrimp.
Now that you've been enlightened, I have two options for you. Take the white pill and return back to your old life. Or take the red pill and join the Secret Shrimp Society. Join. 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 Join.
I am
Join.
shrimp.
Join.
I am
Join. Join.
I am
Join.
shrimp.
No, thanks, man. This is the shrimp fried rice? Look, I'm having a hard time believing this, but are you telling me a shrimp fried this rice?